Good morning, it is Tuesday, November 3rd. So we had an excellent weekend at Hurling Hatchets, had a great time, did a lot of axe profiling, and I'll be showing you more axe projects as we go through the week. I did get a handle on this knife on Saturday, so I should have a little time to get this one cleaned up. Hopefully ready for hand sanding today. We'll see. It's already crazy. I'm filming about an hour and a half late. But one of the cool things from the weekend I'll show you right off the bat is this concept of axe. So this is an Agdor. This is a big axe, throwing axe that has been cut down and thinned down to be light enough to be used as a hatchet. So it's a cool concept that Big Rob came up with, and we executed it over the weekend while I was at the tournament. We sold a couple. We have a couple more to do, and we are going to be doing it to Mike's axe of Hurling Hatchets as well. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. I'll show you more about what we're going to do tomorrow. So I'm going to dive back into it and get some other work done. I got some admin stuff to do, as always. But some stuff with deadlines that I need to get working on. So I'm going to jump into that, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Good morning. It is Wednesday, November 4th, and yesterday we got this knife ready for hand sanding. So took it all the way through the grits, nice and shiny, everything's rounded off. So today I will teach Christopher, a new apprentice in the shop, how to hand sand. I taught him, basically I walked him through the whole process of what I did post gluing for the handle, and then showed him how to do kydex, and he'll be hand sanding that one today. Then we'll put an edge on it and go from there. So I should be getting this knife in stock later today. Also, I'll be doing a lot of admin stuff that it's built up. I haven't done it, didn't get it all done yesterday, and we have a couple other things going on. We're making a new work table upstairs, which Christopher's been super helpful with. So lots of different things going on, some knife making, some admin, some others just shop upgrades and maintenance, things that have been on our to-do list for a long time, basically since we started the showroom type things. So that's my day, and hope everyone has a great one. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Good morning, it is Thursday, November 5th, and yesterday I got most of a nice satin finish done on this Giotto. This is a cool Giotto. It is a 52-100 410 laminate. So once I'm done, you might just be able to see the laminate line here, but because I'm taking it to a satin finish, it'll basically hide it until it starts patining. So it'll get a slight discoloration. We're kind of talking about whether I want to force that patina or leave it nice and satiny. I'll decide that later once it's all done. So this is up to a 400 hand finish. I'm going to take it up one more grit to get a nice even 600 on it, and then leave it alone. And we're doing a 2-part compound handle on this one. It'll be really cool. It's going to be carbon fiber and some fuchsia box elder, and I'm going to put a liner on the fuchsia to thicken it up a little bit. So you'll see that one. I should be able to get the handle on that today, so I'll show it off a little bit tomorrow. In other news, Elizabeth spent part of the day profiling what is commonly been known as the hack door now. So it's taking the big axe Agdor and bringing it down to where you can throw it as a hatchet. And so there's a lot of meat that needs to come off of here, a lot of weight, and so this is the absolute thinnest we'll go. And so a little bit more meat taken off here. We'll take some off the sides, some off the back here, and then we'll do this undercutting here, change that angle to just reduce some more weight, just because it's so thick here that we can really save some weight on that. And then we need to shorten it up to 4 inches. So this is 4 1/4, and so it'll kind of have a nice bearded look to it when we're done. Otherwise, another day of production. I'm going to spend a couple hours and do some admin stuff that I didn't get done yesterday. Basically going to spend an hour or two every day doing a little bit of admin kind of towards the end of the day after we get some production done. So that is my day. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Good morning, it's Friday, November 6th, and yesterday I got a handle on this rocking Santoku. I finished the satin finish on it, so I brought it up to 600 and just got a nice even satin finish. And then I taught Christopher how to prep and attach a handle. You'll meet Christopher here shortly at some point. He's a new aspiring apprentice knife maker. He's been doing some good work here in the shop, so just showing him the rundown of different parts of knife making. So what he did yesterday was he learned design, and he learned how to cut something out with an angle grinder and to profile. He's also working on some sharpening stuff. You'll see his journey as we go along. What I will be doing today is getting this one down to hand sanding, which more than likely Christopher will do that hand sanding, and then I'll also be working on some customs I have that are due this month. So got a little petty knife and a bread knife, so I will get those ground and polished today. If I can get the handles on tomorrow, I'll be in a good space for getting those completed on time. And we have like 7 more knives in this set that we are gonna kind of work together to make sure we get them all completed on time. And that is my day. I will see everyone tomorrow. Good morning, it is Saturday, November 7th, and I got some good work done on a couple of the customs I have in progress. So I need to grind this one at 400 still and then polish, and I'll be able to get a handle on that. And I got this handle down to hand sanding, which is exactly where I wanted to get to it. And I got the carbon fiber or faux carbon fiber Kydex because I like to use the faux carbon fiber with the real carbon fiber handle. Got it all done, so that will be hand sanded and then sharpened today, and we'll get it into stock. I also got this one almost done. This is one of the hack doors that we're working on for one of the best axe throwers in the country. He's out of Arizona. And so basically what Elizabeth did the bulk of is she really thinned this down the way we did, even more so than our regular ag door profile. So this is becoming a throwing hatchet as opposed to the big axe. So we take a lot more material off. We undercut it here literally just for weight reduction. But he wanted a weight back here still. So we have left that, and basically as you throw that weight back there just keeps it from turning that way. And so if you see, it is super thin to the point where I was literally like, oh, is that too thin? So I went and really like just hurled it into our test target for a little while just to make sure it wouldn't bend or break or anything. And I really just hunked it in there just to make sure of that. So I will finish this axe up today. We will finish this knife today, and I should be getting a handle on this utility kitchen knife. That is my day. I hope you have a great weekend, and we will see everybody on Tuesday.
Hey everyone, it's Daniel giving you an idea what's going on for the start of the week. Just for starters, still working on this guy. Not too happy that I have to keep working on him. I just want to try and get this screw out without messing the scale up. And yeah, really that's kind of my frustration there. Hopefully this week I'll be profiling this guy down to a new shape. This is for a gentleman who works at the Igloo factory. I've got this guy that I'm going to try and put a handle on after he's polished up. It's a custom. And then I've finished up the harvesting knife with an edge. I know I'm being short with you guys, but I just want to try and get to work. I got a lot of things on my plate, so I will see you mañana. Thanks. Hey everyone, Daniel bringing you an update with what's going on. Pretty much the same thing. I had a lot of things going on yesterday, so I really didn't get too much of it in front of a grinder. But I got my bits, my extractor bits. I'm going to attempt my extraction of my screw here on the Osborne. Wish me luck. And then in sharpening, I busted a belt. It threw a knife at me, but I'm okay. Just wanted to show you what happened. Yeah, it broke. Other than that, that's what I've got for today, guys, which I know is not much. Hopefully, I'll have a screw for you tomorrow, and I will see you then. Bye. Hey, everyone, it's Daniel bringing you an update on what's going on. great news. Finally got the Osborne, and I'm just going to run into this already. Got the Osborne apart, so I've got my scales. I'm going to prep them for Cerakote, and I've got my middle piece also, my spacer. Get that done, get that kind of going in the process. It takes a little bit because you got to do a couple of different things to Cerakote, and then hopefully I'm going to be doing a sheath. This is a long guy. I don't have the sword here or the machete. I thought I did. I apologize, but this will be basically for a machete. So in between that getting dried up and cured, I will be doing that and a number of other things. So hopefully I'll bring you good results again tomorrow, and we will see you then. Bye. What's up, everybody? It's Daniel. Apologize for not recording yesterday. Gonna try to do my best to cover everything I've got going on today. For starters, I don't have it. So I've got the Kydex sheath. I'll try and record again maybe today. I've got the Kydex sheath for the big machetes done. I'm going to be getting the kukri sharpened up and shipped on out today. The Osborne is up Cerakoting. I've got one side Cerakoted. I'm going to have to redo the other one. And hopefully still putting a handle on that custom that I started this week off with. So in totality, that's what I've got going on. Apologize for the abruptness, and I will see you soon or next week. Have a good weekend, y'all. Bye. All right, guys, so luckily Cal, our newest apprentice, he ran and got me the sheath real quick. So here it is. It's nice and well done. I'm going to need to tweak it a little bit more because the machete doesn't come out. So with that said, I'm going to go upstairs, heat this up, and it'll be done. I'll see you guys next week. Have a good weekend.